Welcome to my new class only. Multiple choice questions from the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. In this video, I am going to discuss 10 important questions which are solved apart from the textbook questions. But textbook questions are very important. After revising all the questions from textbook, that is exercise and examples, then try to do the questions from this video. You just pause the video when you get a question and try to do yourself. Then play the video for verifying your answer whether it is correct or not. Let us look at the first question. Here, the first question is, if 3 sin square beta minus cos square beta is equal to 2. You know sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is equal to 1. So cos square theta you can write it as 1 minus sin square theta. Here the question is, it is 3 sin square beta, instead of theta it is beta, minus cos square beta is equal to 2. Cos square beta you can write it as 1 minus sin square beta. So this you can write it as 3 sin square beta minus of 1 minus sin square beta is equal to 2. That is 3 sin square beta minus 1 plus sin square beta, minus of minus is plus, is equal to 2. So it is 3 sin square beta plus sin square beta. It is 4 sin square beta is equal to minus 1, while transposing it will be plus 1. So 2 plus 1 it is 3. So sin square beta you will get it as 3 by 4. Now if it is so, what is cos square beta? It is 1 minus sin square beta, which is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4. 1 minus 3 by 4 is 4 into 1. 4 minus 3, it is 1 by 4. Now you know that tan square beta, you can write it as sin square beta by cos square beta, because sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. If it is so, sin square beta is 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 4. That you can write it as 3 by 4 into 4 by 1. So 4 cancel, you will get 3. From this you can write it as tan beta. It is tan square beta is equal to 3. Tan beta is equal to root of 3. When you get tan beta root 3, you know the values of 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. So sin, it starts from 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2. So cos starts, just reverse it, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2. So tan will be, you take the numerator only, 1 by root 3, 1 by 1, 1, root 3 by 1, 2. So here tan 60 degrees root 3. Therefore, beta is equal to 60 degree. So the correct option is B, 60 degree. Now look at the next question. The next question is, if sin a plus sin square a is equal to 1, then the values of the expression cos square a plus cos raised to 4a is equal to. Let's do it. Given that sin a plus sin square a is equal to 1. If it is so, what is sin a? Sin a you can write it as 1 minus sin square a. Because here this plus sin square a you transpose to the other side, it is minus sin square a. And 1 minus, that is sin a, is equal to 1 minus sin square a is cos square. Then what is sin square a? Sin square a is equal to square cos square a whole square. Then it will be cos raised to 4. And sin square a, again you can write it as 1 minus cos square a is sin square a. It is cos raised to 4a. Now minus cos square a you transpose to the other side. you will get 1 is equal to cos square A plus cos raised to 4. That is what you want to find out, cos square A plus cos raised to 4A, which is equal to 1. So option A is the correct option. Now look at the next question. The next question is, in triangle ABC right angle at B, if tan A is equal to root 3, then cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Let us look at the figure of that triangle ABC right angle at B, and it is given as tan A is equal to root 3. For what values of A tan A will be root 3? You know tan 60 is equal to root 3. So here angle A you can write it as 60 degree. That is, this angle is equal to 60 degree. So what will be this angle? Of course it will be 30 degree. Now let us look. You want to find out cos A. Now cos A means cos 60 degree, and cos C. Cos C means cos 30 degree minus sin A, which is sin 60 degree into sin C. It is sin 30. Cos 60 degree, it is reverse of sin, so it is 1 by 2. Then cos 30 degree, it is root 3 by 2. That is sin 60 degree. Minus sin 60 degree, it is root 3 by 2. Into sin 30 degree, it is 1 by 2. That means root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. So you will get 0. So option B, 0 is the correct answer. Now let us look at the next question. Next question is, sin theta is equal to A by B. Then what is the value of cos theta? Now sin theta, if A by B, what is sin square theta? The square both sides, as it is A square by B square. Now sin square theta, you know 1 minus cos square theta. That is A square by B square. So cos square theta you transpose to the other side, it is 1. A square minus B square you transpose this side, LHS. So A square by B square is equal to cos square theta. That is, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus A square by B square. Do multiply by B square, you will get B square minus A square by B square. So if it is so, cos theta is equal to square root of this, square root of B square minus A square by B square, which is equal to square root of B square minus A square all divided by square root of B square is B. That is square root of B square minus A square by B. The option is, the correct option, it is C. So option C is the correct answer. Now look at the next question. Here, if a triangle ABC are in the ratio 1 is to 1 is to 2, the angles are in the ratio 1 is to 1 is to 2, and largest angle being angle C, then what is the value of CK by cosec B minus tan A by cot B is? Now if the ratios of the angles are 1 is to 1 is to 2, the angle you can take it as x, again 2x. That means by angle sum property, x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. That is 2x plus 2x, 4x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 degree by 4. That is 45 degree. Now therefore the angles are 45 degree and 245 degree, that is 90 degree. So here largest angle being 90 degree. So angle C is equal to 90 degree. Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 45. Now what is sec A by cosec B minus tan A by cot. Now sec means sec 45. You know, sec is the reciprocal of cos. That means cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. So sec 45 degrees, it is equal to root 2. By similarly, cosec is the reciprocal of sine. Sine 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. So cosec 45 degree, it is root 2 by 1, which is root 2 minus. Now tan 45. Tan 45 is 1 divided by cot 45. Cot 45 also 1. So it is 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. So option A, 0 is the correct answer. Now look at the next question. Here is the next question. If for tan theta is equal to 3, then 4 sin theta minus cos theta by 4 sin theta plus cos theta is equal to. It is given that 4 tan theta is equal to 3. Tan theta, you know, it is sin theta by cos theta. So this you can write it 4 sin theta by cos theta, which is equal to 3. Now look at the question. It is 4 sin theta minus cos theta divided by 4 sin theta plus cos theta. You divide each term by cos theta. What will you get? It is 4 sin theta by cos theta minus cos theta by cos theta all divided by 4 sin theta by cos theta minus plus cos theta by cos theta. Now you can see 4 sin theta by cos theta, you can take it as 3. So here it is 3 minus cos theta by cos theta 1. Similarly here it is 3 plus 1, which is equal to 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. So option C, 1 by 2 is the correct answer. Look at the next question. If sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0, then the value of sin raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta is. Here, sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0 means you transpose cos theta to other side. So sin theta is equal to what? Cos theta. Now, what divide both sides by cos theta? That is sin theta by cos theta. You will get it as cos theta by cos theta 1. That is tan theta is equal to 1. For what value tan theta is equal to 1? Yes, tan 45. Here tan 45 you will get it as 1. That means this tan theta is equal to 1 implies theta is equal to 45 degree. Now what do you want to find out? Sin raised to 4 theta, that is sin raised to 4 45 degree plus cos raised to 4 45 degree. You will get it as sin 45 degrees 1 by root 2. So it is 1 by root 2 whole raised to 4 plus 1 by cos 45 also 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole raised to 4. What is 1 by root 2 whole raised to 4? It is 1 by root 2 whole square. You will get it as 1 by 2. Now again take the square of it. It is 1 by 2 whole square. That is 1 by root 2 whole raised to 4 means it is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to 2 by 4 and 1 by 2. Here also option C, 1 by 2 is the correct option. Now look at the next question. If tan alpha plus cot alpha is equal to 2, then tan raised to 20 alpha plus cot raised to 20 alpha. Here you know tan alpha plus cot alpha. is equal to 2 given. You know what is tan 45? Yes, it is 1. What is cot 45? That also 1. Then tan alpha plus cot alpha, which implies 1 plus 1, that is tan 45 plus cot 45. Here alpha you can take it as 45 degree. Now you want to find out tan raised to 20 alpha. That means tan raised to 20 45 degree plus cot raised to 20 45 degree is equal to tan raised to 20. Tan 45 is 1, so tan raised to 20 45, that also 1 raised to 20 plus cot 45 is equal to 1, then cot raised to 20 45, that is 1 raised to 20, that is 1 raised to 20 also equal to 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. So option B 2 is the correct option. Now let us look at the next question. Let us see. Here sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 1 plus sin square alpha, you can write it as sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. That means this 1 you can write it as sin square alpha plus cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to 3 sin alpha cos alpha. That is sin square alpha plus sin square alpha, that is 2 sin square alpha plus cos square alpha, you can write it as 3 sin alpha cos alpha. Now 3 sin alpha cos alpha you transpose to the LHS, so it is 2 sin square alpha. Let me take it as minus 3 sin alpha cos alpha while transposing from RHS to LHS, then plus cos square alpha, you will get it as 0. Now let me split the middle term minus 3 sin alpha cos alpha, that you can write it as 2 sin square alpha minus 2 sin alpha cos alpha, again minus sin alpha cos alpha, minus 2 sin alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha is equal to minus 3 sin alpha cos alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 0. Now take the first two terms. Here 2 you can take it as common, sin alpha also you can take it as common, so the remaining is sin alpha minus cos alpha. Here also minus cos alpha you can take it as common, then remaining is sin alpha minus cos alpha equal to 0. Minus of minus cos alpha plus cos alpha. Now here sin alpha minus cos alpha common into 2 sin alpha minus cos alpha is equal to 0. Now let sin alpha minus cos alpha into 2 sin alpha minus cos alpha is equal to 0, which means that either sin alpha minus cos alpha is equal to 0 or 2 sin alpha minus cos alpha is equal to 0. Now let me take sin alpha minus cos alpha is equal to 0. Sin alpha minus cos alpha is equal to 0 implies sin alpha is equal to cos alpha. Divide both sides by sin alpha. What will you get? Which implies sin alpha by sin alpha is equal to cos alpha by sin alpha. That means 1 is equal to cos alpha by sin alpha is cot alpha. So one value of cot alpha is 1. Now let me take 2 sin alpha minus cos alpha is equal to 0, which implies 2 sin alpha is equal to cos alpha. Now do divide by sin alpha. So you will get 2 sin alpha by sin alpha is 2, cos alpha by sin alpha, you will get it as cot alpha. So the another value of cot alpha is 2. Therefore, the value is 1 and 2. So here the correct option is C. 1, 2. Now look at the last question. Here is 7 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta is equal to 4. Then the value of tan theta is equal to, you know, 7 sin square theta you can write it as 4 sin square theta plus 3 sin square theta. Again remaining 3 cos square theta is equal to 4. Then here you can take it as 4 sin square theta plus 3 you can take it as common, then 3 into sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 4. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So which implies 4 sin square theta plus 3 is equal to 4. That means 4 sin square theta is equal to 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. That means sin square theta is equal to 1 divided by 4. Now what is cos square theta? Cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus 1 by 4, which is equal to 4 minus 1, 3 by 4. Now if it is so, you can find out tan square theta. Tan square theta is sin square theta, that is 1 by 4 divided by cos square theta, 3 by 4. That means 1 by 4 into 4 by 3, which is equal to 4 cancel 1 by 3. So tan theta you can write it as square root of 1 by 3, which is equal to 1 by root 3. So option A is the correct option. That is all for today's class. Do practice well. Have a nice day.